Welcome to the tutorial on how to claim and issue DCR certificates. This is guide for the distributors, resellers, and EPC company who need to claim DCR certificates for their solar panel sales. We will talk you through the process step by step so you can easily manage your DCR certificate in the system. Step 1. Log into the system. Beginning by the logging into your account on the DCR portal. Once logged in, you will have access to the several modules that will help you manage customers' data and DCR certificates. Customer Master B2B is where you create and manage your frequent B2B customers. First is the customer code. This is for your internal reference, especially if you are using the software like SAP, ERP, or Tally. Other details you can add the customer's PAN, GST, address, and email. You can edit the customer details at any time to keep your record up to date. This customer data can be selected while creating the DCR certificate for your sales. Step 3. DCR credits. This is the final step to claim a DCR certificate issued by a vendor. If the certificate doesn't appear, it means the vendor either hasn't issued it through the portal or there was an error like the wrong PAN number. Contact your vendor if this happens. You will see the certificate marked as either unclaimed or claimed. To claim a certificate, click the DCR claim green button. Choose the branch where you want to claim the panel stock. It's important to select the right branch as stock claimed for the one branch cannot be transferred to another for bill. Step 4. Return the DCR. If you have claimed the DCR but later find that the module number is incorrect, you can return it. Click on the Return DCR to display your stock data. If the certificate has already been sold, the system will not allow you to return it. Select the module to the return and the system will reverse the transaction. The stock will be deducted from your branch and credit back to the vendor. This allows the vendor to resell the module to another customer. Step 5. DCR self credit. This module will let you view all the stock branch wise. You to view a list of the solar panel serial numbers in stock. You can export this list to Excel for easier management. If you need to update the stock, click on the panel stock update button. To check the history of where a specific model number was sold, click on the panel search to view all the transactions for the module. Step 6. DCR sales. This module is for generating the DCR certificate when you make a sale. Select the branch from where the billing was done and the appropriate item type. If you are selling to an end user, check the box of residential user, fill in all the details required for the certificate. Some fields are optional but helpful to include all the complete record. Enter the voice number and the voice invoice date carefully, as the system does not allow multiple certificates for the same invoice. Enter the module serial numbers sold with that invoice. You can either copy them from the Excel or upload them directly. Note, if the quantity and the serial number does not match, the system will show an error message. Similar, if a serial number is not in stock, it will also display an error. Once all the details are correct, click Confirm to create the DCR certificate. This system will generate the certificate and automatically email it to the customer. If if it is a B2B customer, the certificate will appear in the DCR credit section, so you don't need to send it manually. Conclusion. By the following this simple step, you can easily claim and issue the DCR certificates, manage the customer details, and track your stock. This system is designed to make the process hassle free for the distributors and resellers.